Hey there, entrepreneurs, freelancers, and business owners. Nishi here with another fast and exciting social media marketing tip for you this week. Today, I want to talk about the importance of incorporating video in your social media marketing strategy. Now, a couple of years ago, Mark Zuckerberg, who is, of course, the CEO of Facebook, he said that the future of Facebook content is video content. And he said that a few years ago, so that day is pretty much today, right? And he was correct. Of course, he was right. The most powerful kind of content that you can create for Facebook is video content, specifically native video content. Native video means uploading video directly to Facebook as opposed to sharing a link from a third party such as YouTube. So native video on Facebook gets 10 times more visibility, more views than regular video, and video gets more visibility and more engagement than any other kind of content on Facebook. And this is for many reasons. First of all, video is just a more endearing kind of content for us to absorb as human beings. It's more engaging, it strikes an emotional chord, it resonates with us. Studies indicate that if a message is presented by video, we tend to absorb, we can recall 95% of that message, as opposed to only 10% if it's given to us, the same information is given to us in a text format. So video is just better at converting. What I mean by converting is if your video asks your audience to do something, has a call to action, like click on this link or subscribe or buy something or do something, they're more likely to do it if the message is given to them in a video format than in a text format. And to further drive this home, every single major social media platform, LinkedIn and Twitter and Instagram, of course, which is owned by Facebook, they have followed Facebook's example, and they've all adopted video and adopted native video specifically because they know their audience likes it. So furthermore, another reason for you to be creating video for your social media platforms is that social media algorithms favor it. So if you want to get more views, more visibility automatically, the algorithms will bump your post up if it contains a native video. And the next reason is because it's so engaging, it improves your dwell time. Dwell time is how long your audience stays with your post. And typically people don't get tired of video until about the 90-second mark, but even more so if it's a good video, right? So what happens then is your dwell time improves, and the algorithm notices this, and they're like, well, this is a really good post. I'm going to give it even more visibility. I'm going to rank it even higher. So it becomes a cyclical thing where you create a video, people like it, it's more engaging, the algorithm bumps it up, it improves your dwell time, and then the algorithm bumps it up even more, and you get even more visibility and more people watching. So that's a lot of reasons to go with video content. Yes, it takes more effort to create video, but your return on investment is higher. Your ROI on video content is higher than it is for, say, written content. I hope you found that useful. If you did, please subscribe. I put out a new social media marketing tip every week. I put out a new video and a new blog article out every week. Until next week, take care.